Now let's draw this wrench, and for that I will start from the line. So I will draw a line here. So I will draw a line of 70 unit. Press enter and then enter again. And I am going to draw another line of 5 unit here. 5 enter and then press enter, again press enter, and then 5 unit in this direction and then press enter. Now I'm going to create two circles of radius 10. One from this point, one from this point, and there we have it. Now I'm going to use the multi-line command. So simply type ml and then click on justification, then set it to 0, then click on scale and set the scale to 8 and then press enter. Now all you need is just to simply click on these 2 points and then press enter. Now I'm going to extend these 2 lines, and for that I'm going to use the extend command. Simply click on that and then we have this extend line here. Now you can see we don't need these lines, so you can actually trim this geometry from here. So I will remove this and maybe this one and this one as well. Now what I will do is I will trim these parts as well. Press escape and I will select this line and move it. Maybe let me just simply trim this part as well, this extra line here. You can simply zoom in. Let's zoom out. Let's select this line and move it. Click here to its mid like this. And then what I will do is I will select this and create a copy of this. Just simply click here and then move it like this and then press escape, and then I'm going to scale it down. So I will just simply select this, type SC, press enter, and I will specify this as the base point, and all I need is just to specify the factor. So the factor will be 0.9 and press enter. Now I will select this, I will type arrow and then press enter. Then I will set this one as the base point, and then again I will click on this reference. I will click here and then here, and all you need is just to simply rotate it in the 45-degree angle. So let's rotate it in the 45-degree angle just like that. Now let's take an offset of 4 unit. So offset 4 from this side and from this side. Now we don't need this center line, so you can just simply select it and delete it from here. You can just simply delete it. Now you can just simply add the fillet. So let's add the fillet. F enter, and you can see the fillet radius is 30 here. So let's simply set the radius to 30. Enter and then click on multiple, because we have to apply the fillet here. You can see that this line is getting deleted. So let me press escape and control Z, and let me just simply trim this part as well. So that trim this part and then this part. Now let's use the fillet. So I will click here and then here. Now you can see we have added the radius of 30 here. So let's click enter. You can see the radius is 8, so maybe I will set it to 30 first and then press enter and then click on multiple. I will click here and then here. You can see that we have an issue here, so basically we need to go back just like this. Now we have to enter a fillet. Let's set the radius of 30. Now let's simply apply the fillet. Click here and then here just like this. So now we have applied a fillet radius of 30 here, and we have to apply the same on this side as well. So let's simply press enter and then click here and then here just like this. Now we have to apply a fillet radius of 8 here, so let's do that. F enter, R to set the radius 8, and then click on multiple because we have to apply the fillet radius here as well as here, just like this. Now let's press escape. Now all we need is just to simply place a rectangle here. So let's place a rectangle. So the length of this rectangle is 40 and the height is 4. Press enter. Now we have to apply fillet of a radius 2 here. So let's do that. Simply select this and let's apply a fillet radius of 2. All of these polyline just like this, and then move it, press escape, select this, move it, enter, and then I will choose this as the base midpoint and then click here. Now all you need is just to simply select this, click on move, and from here I'm gonna move it like this, or you can just simply enter the value which is 2, then enter. Also we have to apply a fillet radius of 1 as well. You can see it from here for the final detailing. So let's add that. F enter and R enter, set the L to 1 and click on multiple, and then click here and then here. You can see that you are not being able to use that. It is just because of the fact that this one is joined. So you have to explode them first. Explode, enter. We will do the same thing with these. X enter. Now you can apply the fillet. Let's apply the fillet. So we have already set the radius which is 1. Now simply click on multiple, click here and then here, here and then here. So now this is our final drawing.